Hey guys, it's me Jenny, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a hair dryer that I got. And it's from Revlon, and I like it a lot. So I'm gonna show you my old one, and it's from Remington's. And the reason why I got a new one is because every time I use it, like in the middle of blow drying my hair, it would like stop, and then like I would have to like mess around with the button, like whoosh 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 for it to work, and I'm just like rage. So then I rage quit and got a new one. Got Revlon. And also this cord is so not convenient. So this one. So you can bend it like that. And it comes with these cool designs with that. I like it. And it has a retractable cord, so I like that. Blow dry your hair. There's this cord right here. I can like push back up in. And the button, this is the cold button. And this one is cool, warm, and hot. It says off, low, and high. So yeah. And this part is easy to like clean off the dust because you can like remove it like so and take off the dust and then catch it back in. Also, it comes with this cookie. I don't know what it's called because I didn't bother to read the box because I was really overwhelmed to open it. And I don't know. And this is how it looks like. It's very, very large. And I'm not gonna get used to it for a while. Looks like it's a gun, like pew, and then I died. You know, being scared. Next thing. Well, it kind of intimidated me a bit because it looks so scary. But how it looks like. It adds volume to your hair when you blow dry it, and doesn't it look scary? This is like those like cartoon weapons or like those weapons that are like those alien weapons. They go like pew pew pew, and those laser beams come out and go whoosh, and then they like burn you and you turn to dust or something. I'm weird. I'm sorry. And I got it at Walmart, and it was for $20 and not bad. I like it, and I like how it goes through right there. So yeah. So yeah, that is my review on Revlon. And do I recommend it? Most definitely. Well, all the hair dryers there was pretty good. I wanted one that was like ish, and I'm thinking no. You know why? And I'm like, why? Like, it cannot like, what do you call this? Is it like, oh, it can't fold. I'll say bend, but fold. And I'm like, no. I want it because that it said it was $100 value. No, you can't have a sucker for that. So yeah, that's my review. If it did not help, I am sorry. If it did help, good. So please rate, thumbs up, and subscribe, or I'll shoot you with alien powers. Pew pew. Alright, goodbye.